Growing up, there was nothing more exciting than going to the milk bar, ordering a hamburger and a Thickshake. For me, my Thickshake of choice was a vanilla Thickshake. I love them, and I'm going to show you how to make them. First of all, you need some ice cream, lots of ice cream in a blender. So I'll scoop that in first. I've just brought it out of the fridge a little earlier, so it's easy to scoop out. And I'm going to say you'll need at least 4 or 5 scoops of ice cream. One more extra large scoop for good luck. Now for the milk, so it blends together. So a splash of milk. And then for the hero of this, vanilla, I'm using vanilla extract. It's perfect for non-baking recipes just like this, so a drink. It has a thick, syrupy consistency. So I'm going to add about a teaspoon so we really get that intense vanilla flavour. Lid goes on, and then we're going to blend for at least a minute so it gets really frothy and creamy. Okay, Thickshake is done. And I've got the very classic glass that goes with a milkshake or Thickshake. Oh, look at that. And then I think a straw is crucial, a paper straw inside. So thick. That is so yummy. I love that intense vanilla taste. That is my childhood right there. I'm sure there's a lot of you out there that feel the same.